name is Chrissy, nice to meet you, can I tell you, baby? Look around, there's a whole lot of pretty babies, but none like you shine so bright. Yeah, I was wondering oh, so fabulous.
Hey guys, welcome back once again to my channel. It's your girl Dumebi Lea. If this is your first time stumbling on my beautiful face, I want to say welcome. I do hope you hit the subscribe button right below this video and the notification bell beside it. That way YouTube lets you know whenever I drop new videos. And if you're already a subscriber, you're my G, you're my guy, you're my family, you know what's up, you know how we do it. So today's video is actually a Valentine makeup video, and I hope you guys are watching this video with love in your heart and with smiles on your faces, because love is indeed a beautiful thing. And if by any chance you're watching this video but you don't really have plans for Valentine, or you feel like you don't have anybody special to celebrate Valentine with, I assure you that love is going to come into your life and you'll be happy and you will smile again. I have to drop that message because I know some people right now may be passing through something. Okay, let me not digress. Let's get back to the intro. So as I was saying, this video is actually about this makeup look. The eyes are very edgy and dramatic, and I had to downplay the lips so that they are both not fighting for attention. And it is also a collaboration between myself and eight other lady YouTubers, Nigerian YouTubers actually, scattered all around the world. So I want you guys to please just go subscribe to their channel. I'll drop the links in the description box and in the comment section right below. You guys go check them out and please subscribe, show them some love. So the ladies that I collaborated with are Niela, HD Signatures, Demi, Dorcas, Miss Tina Fey, Miss Zipro, Tall Black Chick, and Christine. Christine actually didn't do makeup. She actually did the music that you guys are going to be hearing throughout the duration of this video. So you guys please go show them love and subscribe to their channel. So I also have to say that the products that I use in this video, I featured products basically from the brand Blossom Makeup. This is a Nigerian brand, so they sent me, like, you know, this whole paper bag full of products that I tried out in this video, and I'm going to be letting you guys know what I thought about each product at the end of the video. So if you want to know my review and my first impression on all these new products, you guys be sure to watch to the end and know what I think. And lest I forget, I also tried out products from Paula Beauty. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video, guys.
got me saying yeah, oh, and I will never let go, let go. You know I'll never let go. This love is forever. You got me saying yeah, oh, and I will never let go, let go. You know I'll never let go. This love is forever. You got me saying yeah, oh, and I will never let go, let go. You know I'll never let go. This love is forever. You got me saying yeah, oh, and I will never let go, let go. You know I'll never let go. This love is forever. You got me saying yeah, oh, and I will never let go, let go. You know I'll never let go. This love is forever. You got me saying yeah, oh, and I will never let go, let go. You know I'll never let go. This love is forever.
My name is Chrissy, nice to meet you, can I tell you, baby? Look around, there's a whole lot of pretty babies, but none like you, you shine so bright, yeah. I was wondering if you and me could spend a minute on the floor up and close.
So guys, I just want to tell you guys my thoughts on the products that I tried out today from Blossom Cosmetics and from Polar Beauty. So let me begin first of all with the eyeshadow. I am so impressed by this eyeshadow. It is very pigmented. All the colors were really pigmented. Everything that I used today is matte, so I haven't tried out the metallic ones, but when I swatched them in my other video, they were really pigmented. So I'm very impressed by the eyeshadow. If you're a makeup artist, you'll benefit from using this because there's a lot of colors. There are a lot of colors to pick from. First thing I have to say about the foundation is the packaging is somewhat basic. I like the fact that it's plastic because I feel like when something is glass, you're always going to be scared that it may fall and break. So this is going to be very travel friendly. Then the packaging is basic, nothing too impressive. I always like foundations with pumps, that way it actually helps you reduce some wastage. Then the foundation is not too thick. The consistency is just somewhere in between. It's not runny, neither is it thick. So in terms of coverage, you have to build it up to like half coverage of whatever pigmentations or discolorations you may have on your skin. Then it was easily blendable. I liked the color on me. It doesn't have as much of a warm undertone like a lot of foundations that I've used, because I'm very close to an olive undertone, so it wasn't making my face look excessively reddish or yellowish like some foundations that I've used before. So I actually enjoyed this foundation. I actually really do like this foundation. The eyeshadow primer. For the eyeshadow primer, it's good as an eyeshadow base, but it's, how do I put it, it's not cream. So when I tried to use it for my cut crease, it was not working because it was patching up. So I don't think this is creamy enough to be used as a cut crease, but to prime your eyes and use as a regular eyeshadow base, this was good, and it allowed the color really pop on my eyes. Their brow pencil, I'll say that I really liked it. It's really basic. I would have really loved if it came with a sharpener of its own. I'm not even going to lie about that, but I like that it wasn't chalky, it wasn't waxy. It actually gave me like a good color payoff. I actually really like it. I like it. Then for their setting powder, guys, I was so impressed with this setting powder. First of all, the texture, it's not luminous, it's not how do I explain it? So I don't know if it was because this setting powder is actually in a brown shade, because this will be my first time using a setting powder that is brown, but this one really did not give me any problem. Like the moment I brushed it off, I didn't even need to apply some powder in those areas anymore. I was already looking good. So this powder, this is the shade Nutmeg. This one is going to be perfect for any dark skin person out there. You guys, you're really going to enjoy this. It was very easily blendable. I used their mascara. The mascara one was a bit flexible. I don't really like when a mascara one is very flexible, because sometimes it doesn't really stay where I put it, in my opinion. I prefer when it's firm. But the mascara brush was okay. I was able to do my bottom lashes with it, and I was able to do my top lashes with it, so I actually like it. Their beauty blender, this doesn't really have latex. It was soft and it blended my foundation really well. I enjoyed using it. I used it for my foundation, my concealer, and my setting powder, and I have no complaints about it whatsoever. Guys, for my review on the Polar Beauty gloss, I used this one. They sent me two, but I ended up using just this one. So this one, I picked this one because it had a pink color to it. So I was actually expecting some pink on my lips, but I can't see any pink, so I was not impressed by that. I was thinking that I was going to get a tinted lip gloss. You understand? Like there was going to be some pink on my lips. Ignore this one you see there. My lip is naturally pink in my bottom lip. So I didn't like the fact that I didn't get any pink in it. But as for the packaging, I like it. It looks really fancy. I think it smells very basic. I'm not very impressed by the scent of this lip gloss. And yeah, well, it's a good lip gloss, being that it wasn't running, like it wasn't too thick. You know, there's some lip glosses that when you smack your lips, you can see it sticking and, you know, gumming and all that. This one wasn't like that. Neither was it too runny that it was like spilling out of my lips. It just stayed where I put it. So I like that about it. And that is my review and my first impression about this product. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Happy Valentine, guys.